Go to the Tools panel in Affinity Designer and select the Pen tool. With the Pen tool selected, add some points. Now it doesn't particularly matter the current stroke settings and fill, etc., because I'm going to overwrite them, but the moment you can see they've got a dash there, you can just set it to that initially if you want, and you can then go over here to the Contour tool. With the Contour tool selected, you can then drag this out and you can change that to any sort of setting there. Once you've got that design, what I'm now going to do is go to the Layers panel. And you can find that in the View menu, Studio and Layers. Go to Effects, click there. And I'm going to add a 3D. So just go for 3D. So it's got a nice 3D effect there. Outer shadow. You can change your settings. You don't have to have the outer shadow. But the key thing is gradient overlay. Make certain that's on. And you can, of course, vary the gradient simply by going here to the gradient. But I've got this design now. What I can now do is I can go here to the stroke settings. The line style, what do you want to call it? There's the line style for the dashes, and you can then add all kinds of different dash designs here. And now you can see you've got a really lovely edge to your line. And you can go just change this, the width. The key thing is, however, is you can set the cap. So if you go for that, you get a nice rounded one. If you go with that one, I think that one works best. But you can obviously just try it, which one you like. Join doesn't particularly matter. Alignment, make certain it's probably the third one or the first. Up to you. Probably that one might work better. And also go down here to the dash and maybe make it say like 2 or maybe make it 1. And you can see what happens. You generate these lovely sort of unusual designs like that. And again, if you click there, you can see you make nice rounded ones. And of course you can vary this dash. You can make it 0.4 or something like that to create nice sort of bobbled designs for your line. So once you're happy with that, what you can do, of course, you can always go back to your pen tool and you can always continue to add some points, modify this, or go maybe over here to the Node tool and then modify this design. You can always click there, tweak it, move it around, maybe go here, and you can then drag that out and modify it that way. And again, you can see as you do it, all this dash style changes. Well, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.